Hi students, welcome. In this video, we're going to see exercise 2.3 solution. First question, the student has rupees 500 in her saving bank account. She gets rupees 150 every month as pocket money. How much money will she have at the end of every month from the second month onwards? Find the linear expression. So you're going to find the linear expression to represent the amount she will have in the nth month. So we're going to find the linear expression in the nth month using the given information. So 500 rupees is the initial amount. So initial amount is nothing but rupees 500. Then pocket money per month. She is getting rupees 150. So second month onwards, they are asking, no. So we will find the pattern for the nth month. Okay. So after, otherwise we can write at the end of. Okay, no need to write after. At the end of second month, at the end of third month, like that we can find the pattern. So at the end of second month. So second month, how much will have the initial amount plus first month pocket money plus second month pocket money. We can write this in the way, you know, addition is nothing but multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So 2 times 150 is there, 2 times 150, 2 times 150 is 300, 150 plus 300 is nothing but rupees 800. So at the end of second month, she is having 800 rupees. Okay, in her savings. Now third month, at the end of third month, how much she will have? Initial amount, then first month pocket money, second month pocket money, third month pocket money. So it is nothing but 3 times 150 repeated over there. So 3 into 150 is nothing but 50 plus 3 times 150 is 450. So rupees 950. So after the third month, she will have 950 rupees. Then fourth month, how much fourth month? Fourth month, you don't need to write everything again and again. Look at the second month. Use this. Second month, 500 plus 2 times 150. Third month, 500 plus 3 times 150. So fourth month, 500 plus 4 times 150 rupees. That is nothing but 500 plus 600 is rupees 1100. So after fourth month, she will have 1100 rupees. Fifth month. Okay. How much after fifth month? At the end of fifth month, 5 into 150 is nothing but 500 plus 750. At the end of fifth month, we will have 1250 rupees. So like that, we can write for all the sixth month, seventh month, eighth month, ninth month. If you are following this pattern, at the end of nth month, how much you can have? 500 plus n times 150. 500 plus n times 150 is nothing but 500 plus 150n. So this is the linear expression you will get from this sum. So given information is giving the linear expression nothing but 500 plus 150n. Using this, you can find for any month, at the end of any month, at the end of 20th month, at the end of 100th month, anything you can find. Instead, in the place you can replace n, in the place of n you can replace that month number and you can calculate the amount. Okay, this is the required linear expression for the question. Look at the next question. Second one, the rally starts with 120 members. Each hour 9 members drop out from the group. How many members will remain after 1, 2, 3 hours? Find the linear expression to represent the number of members at the end of the nth hour. Okay, same like the previous sum, right? Initial members. Initially, the members, how many members? Initially, there are 120 members. Okay, and the members dropping out, number of members dropping out per hour. Okay, per hour it is given how many? 9 members. So again, after 1 hour, then after 2 hours, and after 3 hours, you can calculate. Okay, then follow this pattern and find the expression for the nth hour. After 1 hour, initially 120 members are there, and dropped out means you need to subtract. How many members? 9 members we need to subtract. So 120 minus 9, you will be getting how much? How many members? 111 members. After second hour, okay, how much? 150 minus 9 minus 2 times 9 members. So 120 minus 2 times 9 is nothing but 120 minus 18. How many members? 93 members. Then after the third hour, 120 minus, directly you can write 3 times 9 members. So 120 minus 3 times 9, 27 is nothing but 84. Okay, likewise you can follow the pattern. And 9th hour, after 9th hour, how many members? 120 minus n into 9. So the expression is nothing but 120 minus 9n. So this is our required expression, 9n, 9th hour. Look at the next question. Suppose the length of the rectangle is 13 centimeter. Length of the rectangle is 13 centimeter. Find the area of the breadth is 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find linear pattern. Once again, they are asking you to find linear pattern representing the area of the rectangle. So you know the formula of area of rectangle. Area of the rectangle is nothing but length into breadth square units. Length into breadth square units. So what is given? Length is fixed. The length is given here. Length of the rectangle is 13 centimeter. It is fixed. Now the breadth is differ. First, the breadth is given as 12 centimeter. Suppose the breadth is 12 centimeter. What is the area? Area of the rectangle is nothing but length 13 into breadth 12. So multiply and the unit is centimeter. So centimeter squared you have to write. So 13 into 12 is nothing but 156 centimeter squared, or else you can write square centimeter. Now the second one, the breadth is given as how much? 10 centimeters. So what is the area? Area of the rectangle is equal to, once again, fixed length into 10 centimeter is your breadth, is nothing but 130 centimeters squared is the area. Third one, what is the breadth given? 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So area of the rectangle is nothing but 13 into 8 is nothing but 104 centimeters squared. Observe here. Here, first case 13 into 12, second case 13 into 10, third case 13 into 8, which means length is permanent 13 centimeter and area differs. Area differs because which one? Because the breadth of the rectangle differs. So which one is varying here? For that assign a variable. So area of the rectangle which has n centimeter as its breadth, nothing but 13 into n is nothing but 13n centimeters squared. So linear expression you need in this question is nothing but 13n. As n breadth differs, you will get different areas. Clear? Now look at the next question, fourth question. Suppose length of the rectangular box is 7 centimeter. Breadth is 11 centimeter. Find the volume. Rectangular box means it is in the shape of cuboidal. Cuboidal box. Okay, rectangular box, nothing but cuboidal box. Okay, so volume of the find the volume if height 5 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 13 centimeter means you need to find the volume of the box and find the linear pattern also for the volume. So what is the volume of cuboid? You know very well, volume of cuboid is nothing but length into breadth into height. So 3 units are multiplied, you know very well, cubic units. Okay, length into breadth into height, cubic units volume. So here 2 units are fixed. What are the 2 units? Length of the rectangular box nothing but 7 centimeter and breadth of the rectangular box nothing but 11 centimeter. Height differs so that you will be getting different volume. So height of the rectangular box, if suppose 5 centimeter as height, you will be getting volume of the rectangular box nothing but 7 into 11 into 5, length into breadth into height. Centimeter cube is nothing but 11 into 7, 77 into 5. So 77 into 5, how much? 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3, 38 centimeter cube. Okay, like this you need to find all the things. Second one, it is given height, how much? Height is 9 centimeter. So now volume of the rectangle is nothing but 7 into 11 into 9 centimeter squared. So 77 into 9 centimeter squared nothing but 693 centimeter cube, not square, centimeter cube, cubic unit. Okay, for the third one, height is given here 13 centimeter. The volume, now you can write directly. Look at the pattern. First case 77 into 5, in second case 77 into 9. So here directly you can write 77 into 13. Okay, length and breadth are fixed. When you are multiplying 7 and 11, you will be getting 77. So 77 into 13 as the height. Centimeter cube is the unit. So product of this two is nothing but 1001 centimeter cube. So like this you can find the volume. Following this pattern, if suppose height is n unit, n centimeter, then volume of the rectangle is nothing but 77 into n centimeter cubes. Is nothing but 77 n centimeter cube. So the required expression is nothing but 77n. This is the required expression. As the height differs, you will be getting different volumes. Okay. Now look at the next fifth question. Sarita is reading a book of 500 pages. So total number of pages 500. She reads 20 pages every day. Every day she is reading 20 pages. How many pages will be left after 15 days? Express this as linear expression. So total number of pages. Total number of pages 500. Okay. So first day we can complete how many page? 20 page means how many pages remaining? 500 minus 20, 480 pages. After one day, she will have 480 pages to complete. Then second day, after the second day, she can finish 500 minus 2 times 20 is nothing but 500 minus 40. How much? 460. So after the second day, she will have 460 pages more to read. Okay, like that. Third day, after third day, how much she will have? 500 minus 3 into 20 is equal to 500 minus 60 is nothing but 440. So third day, after the third day, she will have 440 pages remaining. Like this. If you are continuing the pattern, you will be getting nth day. After nth day, you will be having 500 minus n times 20. So 500 minus 20n pages after the nth day. So the required expression is nothing but 500, 1 minute, sorry, 500 minus 20n. This is the required expression. And one more they are asking, after 15 days, how many pages will be left? They are asking here. So here what to do in this general expression, you need to replace your n as 15. After 15th day, she will be having 500 minus 20 into 15. So 20 into 15, how much? 500 minus 300. So after the 15th day, she will be having 200 pages left over. So after the 15th day, she will have 200 pages to read. Okay. Thank you.